Hey guys, and welcome back to Beardchanics Garage. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to build a 4-wheel drive or burnout switch for your Audi S3 8V. Alright, so this is actually quite an easy mod. Why would you want to do this? There is actually legitimate reason to do this mod. Once for a dyno run, it just make it nice and easy to just disable the all-wheel drive system if you're running on a dyno. Second, if you're going to centapod and you're going to do quarter mile, because this car is front-wheel drive bias, doing a front-wheel drive burnout will actually help your grip to go. Third, you know, you can mock around and look cool and have a bit of fun at car meet and such. In the description I will put the link to everything you need where you can go buy it or what it is if you have it already, but basically you just need a switch, couple of cable, a fuse piggyback and a couple of liter inserts which you can put in your fuse box. And here we go. So this is a fuse box. This is on the right hand drive, so this is in the glove box. If you've got a left hand drive, you've got the little door on the side of the steering wheel, and this is where you will access this. To locate your all-wheel drive, oops, put the light back on, there we go. So the easiest way to locate your all-wheel drive fuse, alright, that's that motorbike go through, is to basically locate this big fuse here, and then here, as you can see, where those cables are, this is where your fuse normally go, it's blue. So important stuff to know when you're going to build your circuit. Here's the red cable, or basically the bottom position of your fuse is the live feed. This is where you want your fuse to go on. So basically the fuse we've got here need to be connected to this one here. Then basically go to your switch and then you come back into this one, and that's it. Now all you have to do when you want to disable it is you just press the button, and when you want it back on, you just switch it back on. And there you go guys, this is actually quite a quick mod to do, as long, you know, what takes the longest is building the circuit, and then depending on where you want your button to go, obviously the mounting can take a while. Mine at the moment, as you can see, is just flying at the moment. What I want to do is actually build the control panel in the gearbox, in the glove box of my car, so I'm going to leave it like that until I build a container for it. I will do an episode about that, and then it will be mounted. Anyway guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and give us a like if you like the video, don't if you didn't like it, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.
I wish you could smell this.